To avoid falling victim to fake Interac e-transfer scams, it is important to always verify the identity of the sender and be cautious if the message comes from an unknown email or phone number, especially if it pressures you to act quickly. Carefully check emails or messages for spelling mistakes, unusual formatting, or suspicious links, and never provide your security questions, answers, passwords, or other personal banking information through email or text. Always access your bank account or accept e transfers directly through your bank's official app or website rather than clicking on links in messages. Be wary of urgent requests to send money and take the time to confirm the legitimacy of the transfer. If you suspect a scam, report it immediately to your bank or the Canadian Anti Fraud Center. Staying cautious, verifying contacts, and acting through official channels are key to protecting yourself from e transfer fraud. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.